Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and I'm showing you step 4, working on stickers within the adhesive template. So everything's set up and good to go. So now we just need to save the proof and our working file. So we're going to click F1, and you're going to make sure that your artboard is selected, and you've already named it in step 1, so that should be good. Next, we're going to choose where we save this file to. So under Export to, we're going to click on this folder here, and we are going to find the desired folder on where we would like it saved. So this order is 14693. I already know that folder does exist. If it didn't, you could right-click this master folder here, copy it, and then right-click down below and paste it in and just rename that folder. But since this one does exist, we're just going to type in 14693, double-click it, and then we're going to go into Work Files, double-click in there, select the folder, and hit Export. Well, first make sure you've got PDF selected, and then JPEG 100. And under JPEG 100, we're going to have the width set to 2400 pixels. Next, hit Export Artboard. I've already saved these files in there once, so this is just telling me it's going to replace it. So we're going to replace it. As that's saving, we could come back over into CoreBridge. This proof wouldn't actually be there. I just reshot this video. So you're going to click Choose File, and now you're going to locate the order folder that you just saved it into the work files. So we've already got that pulled up here. We're just going to double click on our JPEG proof, hit Upload Proof, and this should be InDesign. So if it's InDesign, you're going to go ahead and go over to Awaiting Proof Approval. Then you're going to click this mail icon here, and that's going to bring up the email template that it mails to the client. You don't have to change anything on that, but under the CC section, you will add the salesperson. So the salesperson's Barbara. So just start typing in her name, and her email address should pop right up, and then click send within that email. And then at this point, the job has been proofed out, and you can go over to your KPI sheet and add one for products proofed out. Thanks for watching.